Good afternoon, I'm Ken from Agrimac in Warrnambool, here today with Jason from Muddy River in Echuca. They're our Horsch reseller. He's here today to give us a bit of a rundown on this Horsch Maestro planter. Thanks, Jason.
Thanks, Ken. Yeah, Jason Lummis from Muddy River. So we're the importers of Horsch for Australia-wide, and proud to have Agrimac as one of our dealers. Today here we have the Maestro, which is the RC, which comes in 8 rows and in 12 rows. We do go right up to 24 rows on some of our configurations, but today we're talking about the machine itself, trying to direct drill straight back into corn. We've got the trash wheels at the front to move last year's stubble. We have fertiliser, which is just offset to our corn, and then obviously we've got electric drive. We have down pressure, so we make sure that accuracy is spot on, and then obviously back to a closing wheel. So thanks, Ken.
No worries. Thanks, Jason. And for all your Horsch product, give us a call at Agrimac, Warrnambool, Sonata and Ballarat. And if we've got any questions we can't answer, Jason will be happy to do it for us. Thank you.